Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 5th, 2022. Today, we're going to talk about whether or not mass adoption is going to come into this cryptocurrency, Stellar XLM. We're going to see whether or not the market wants to accumulate as many of these cryptocurrencies as possible, because in order for us to see mass adoption, we got to see demand. And I'm zooming out the chart. I want to show you all that we're not necessarily seeing the demand coming into the market in Stellar right now. But guess what? We are approaching an inflection point that we need to see the buyers step in. I'm going to talk about that today, and we all appreciate my videos, my content, my price prediction. Before I get started, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on my price predictions, because we get in position so that we can win and dominate in this cryptocurrency space. All the while, everyone say you can't do it, but I'm here showing you all that you can actually predict prices and win. Now, let me zoom back in and let me show you what the price in Stellar has done since my last price prediction. You guys can see, let me zoom in, that we started its price prediction all the way back in January. Yeah, the 25th, 2022. I was playing the weakness into the market in Stellar. You guys can see that from out the gate, the market subsided. It didn't give us a lot of volatility. We traded sideways for a couple of trading days. The market went up in Stellar. Yes, it did. But you know what? It wasn't able to break the location that I told you all that if we were to see a price break up above, then yeah, we'll have to let the prediction go. No, it didn't do that. Instead, the price got rejected right where we said it, 25 cents. And since that time, the price in Stellar has been on a downtrend. This is fantastic for us to know that we are still looking good on the price prediction. Yeah, to see the price go down in Stellar. So I did another video on February the 12th as like an update. I wanted to give you all an update into the market in Stellar, telling you all then again that I'm still looking for the price to go down. So since February the 12th, look what happened to the price. It went down. So we need to talk, because this market is making some very crucial movements that I want to point to you all. So let's take a look at this real quick. Okay. So I want to show you this trend. Okay. Now this trend in Stellar started all the way back here in March of 2020. Yes. And it was a very good run, like from March 2020 all the way to the high that came in on May the 17th, 2021. This currency increased 2,470%. That's ridiculous. For anyone to say that you cannot get massive gains in a short amount of time is obviously wrong. This was very good to see. Did you take advantage of it though? Because I know a lot of people have been giving you all the idea that you want to hold these cryptocurrencies for the long time. Yeah, for the long term. But this was 2,000, almost 2,500% right here. And now here we are back down here towards the trend. So this is why I wanted to come in and talk to you all. We need to see the buyers continue to hold price in Stellar. All right, take a look at this. Everyone sees the same thing. So there's no need for us to try to grab technical indicators. There's no need for us to try to read articles upon articles. We simply need to pay attention to the charts. Here it is. The market in Stellar on the 24th of February came and confirmed the trend. Look at that. That's not a coincidence. The market knows exactly what it's trying to do. This is where the buyers came in. I mean, we even saw a lot of volume come into Stellar on this particular day. Everyone understands that. Everyone understands that they're trying to keep the price from breaking the trend. So on this video, we need to make sure what are the probability chances of the market actually doing that. Yeah, keeping price above this line, because we need to focus in on that. Now, let me get rid of this. Okay. Now, what I'm going to show you is we're going to look at this from a different time frame. All right. This is the 5-day time frame in Stellar. Now, let me circle all of these 5-day price bars right here, because I want us all to pay attention and see, what would you consider this? Would you consider this strong, or would you consider this weak? Do you think the buyers are controlling the market, or do you think the sellers are controlling the market? From this perspective, I will say that the sellers are still controlling the market in Stellar basically what is going on these two 5-day price bars right here. And then this one, these two. This tells us that the sellers are still controlling the market in Stellar. Now let's look at Stellar on the 3 weeks. Okay. We have 1 day and 8 hours left, and currently this market does not look bullish. The only thing that is allowing this market to stay elevated is the trend. That's the only thing. The last 2 to 3 weekly price bars is not indicative of strength at all. No, it's not. So for anyone to come in and try to be bullish into the market in Stellar is doing a great disservice, because the market is not reflecting that on the charts. What about on the monthly time frame? We ended last month right here. Okay. And you tell me, does that look strong? Does that look bullish to you? No, it doesn't. I mean, the market had opportunity over the last 28 days during the month of February to go up and break 25 cents, right? But it didn't. It got rejected. Price came down and closed off of the highs. This is why the current price movement in Stellar is going down. So we are definitely seeing cracks in this ascending line to where the market may in fact actually break it. And once it breaks this trend, you might as well cut the bullishness out. You might as well say that this is a bear market in Stellar. And you might as well continue to play the weakness in this stock. I mean, in this cryptocurrency. Yeah. So let's look at this on a 2-day time frame. Now, let's go ahead and get rid of this last price of this, because the market came and confirmed the trend right here on the 24th of February. That was about 14.75% profitability. Hopefully you all was able to take advantage of that, because you might not see another opportunity. Now, check this out. We're going to continue to hold this market restriction at 25 cents. Actually, I just noticed something. Look at this. See, no one's going to give you this type of information unbiased, because I don't care whether or not the market is geared to go up or down, because we can make money either way it go. Now, take a look at this. All of these daily price bars, right around here, I'm going to show it to you. The market is speaking. It is telling us that it's having issues now of breaking price, I would say above 21 cents. All right. So let's bring this up to around 21. This market is having issues. Look at all these daily price bars that the market in Stellar could not break above 21 cents. So what we're doing, we're stair-stepping our way lower into prices. And it's making like it's going to be a squeeze to where the buyers are going to be forced to come in and continue to buy this market on this line. All right. Yes. And basically, when you see this on a 2-day time frame right here, okay, when you see this on a 2-day time frame to where the market in Stellar could not keep the price from going up, we're still seeing price go down. It tells us that the buyers are not here. They don't find the price in Stellar right now attractive. And when you get all of this evidence, when you see all of this information on the chart, you know you need to continue to play the weakness. Now, I am going to continue to play the weakness in the market in Stellar. Okay? But the only thing that we can see and needs to happen is price continuing to bounce off of this line. We got to see that in order for us to know that the buyers are still here. Price ever breaks this ascending line to the downtrend, we're going to go massively lower in price. We might as well anticipate that. Okay. So we're going to put on another price prediction for us to see price in Stellar come to this trend. This ascending line will be around another 8% market move. That's simple. You could get that in 2 hours in the cryptocurrency space. So if you watch this video a little late, you might miss out on that move. But that is literally the first area for us to grab the bag in the market for Stellar. Now the next area is going to be down here. And this is going to be under the auspice of us seeing continued weakness and the market continues to fall down in price. And I want to bring it towards 15 cents. Okay. I'm just going to leave around 15 cents right now But from a monthly perspective, we can definitely see price in Stellar go massively lower than that. Okay. So now we got it. 2 price targets right here on this ascending line is the first area for us to profit. It was about 8%. Second area, if we do see price break this ascending line, next area is gonna be around 15. Okay, that's around 16% profitability market movement in Stellar. All right. Now you guys can see it right now on the daily time frame. The buyers are trying to keep the price up. They're trying to do that right now, but they got a lot of work ahead of them, especially from a monthly time perspective. All right. So that is it. I am done. I have given you all my perception as to what we're seeing on the chart, as to where I'm looking for the price to go without being confused. Join me. Drop me your price prediction real quick into the market in Stellar and let me know where you all think the price is headed. Yeah, it's simple. Hit me up. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.